Hi, I'm Diane at Williams Toyota Lift. Let's do a walk around of this brand new 2021 Toyota three-wheel electric cushion forklift, model number 8FBE20U, ID number E009620. This forklift is here, it is in stock, and it is ready for immediate delivery. So if you are interested, give us a call right away. It has a 4,000-pound base capacity, and it runs on a 36-volt battery. And as I mentioned, this is a three-wheel model, so it is ultra compact and maneuverable. One of our more popular models for sure. You'll see here that it has four-way hydraulics with that automatic tilt level button, and also this fourth hydraulic can be used for fork positioners or any sort of attachment that you might need, such as a paper clamp. Over here we have this paper clip, and we also have this handy drop-down cup holder. Now coming up here to the mast, this is a 4-stage mast with free lift. The max height on this is 241 inches. And we have your hang-on side shift here. These are 42-inch standard tapered forks, but you could get 48-inch standard tapered forks if that's more suitable for you. Looking at the tires, you can see that these are non-marking, treaded cushion tires. And coming up here to the front, I'm going to show you that we have some great safety features here, including that forward-facing blue safety spotlight, as well as these ultra-bright LED headlights. Coming inside the cabin, you'll see that we have dual rear view mirrors. We also have some adjustability, including an adjustable steering column here, as well as a fully adjustable seat that moves forwards and backwards and has adjustability with the incline and is a full suspension seat. Back there on that back pillar, you can see that we have that rear pillar handle with a horn, which is a great safety feature for your operator. Now looking at the back, you will see that we have a fire extinguisher as well as that yellow strobe. We also have a key-activated rear blue spotlight, and we have this ultra-bright LED work light as well. And like I said, this is a three-wheel model, so that means that this truck is has a very tight turning radius, and it is ultra compact. It stays within its own length. Now, this truck is cleaned, serviced, and is ready for immediate delivery, so if you have questions, give our sales team a call at 1-800-435-2449 or visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on equipment that we have available, as well as other features that you need to know about.